YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with yet another G Talk Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're gonna talk about some Toshi. We're talking about it all, guys. But as always, I'm gonna let you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just know me, Crypto J. So. Again, don't buy anything that you see in this video. You guys should be doing your own research on all this stuff all the time. But let's talk about some Bitcoin because as you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at 116.6 today and looking pretty volatile, right? Your index coming in at a 56 right now, and people wondering what's happening on the cycle. Are we still on the up and up, or are things on the breaking down, right? As you guys can see, Bitcoin starting to break down below some key levels of support. We were talking about those levels on Friday, right? Bitcoin shooting all the way up to 123, and now coming all the way down to 116. I was even saying that I wasn't really looking for much of a position, but I do like this little bounce that we're getting on this Monday. This is kind of a good thing. Again, we now have some resistance we got to start breaking through, but at the same time, right? Look, we don't have our uptrend anymore. Create this rising wedge here, and as you guys can see, it's been a bear flag after another bear flag, and Bitcoin again looking extremely volatile. What do you guys think is going to happen? Again, Bitcoin coming in now at 116.6. Look at all those sixes. It's bad luck right now. Maybe not. I don't know. But 82% of people bullish on Bitcoin, 18% of people bearish on Bitcoin. And a lot of speculation. All right, somebody says, all right, if BTC buyers don't step in at 117, let's watch how they react at 111 this guy again, and we're going to jump all the way back down to some of these lower ranges, which in reality is a possibility now that, again, we have a reverse trend and we have a little bit of a shoulder head shoulder here, but we didn't break down yet. All right, well, I mean, we did break down, but we didn't break down off that shoulder head shoulder. It bounced up off of it, but again, this thing might still create a wedge. It might take some time to play out. It's a Monday today, so again, we'll see what happens, right? But what do you guys think? First, you're thinking that we might see a little bit of rejection in the near future, but again, guys, nobody knows, right? Nobody knows what next gonna happen. Let's talk about some Toshi. Let's see what's going on with the blue cap because you guys like Toshi. So we'll go check it out over here. Toshi Coin, pull it up. Toshi Coin is weathering the storm. We talked about that 285 million being a level of support. Seems like we were able to kind of hold that, right? Maybe this thing starts turning around pretty soon, but again, Bitcoin needs to start picking up in volume. Because as you guys can see, Toshi Coin also starting to break up off of this rising wedge. Same as Bitcoin creates that rising wedge. Toshi Coin kind of did the same thing. Price action on Bitcoin, that's going to be kind of tough, right? And now Toshi Coin creating another possible bear flag also on the 4 hour. Definitely something to pay attention to. And they're looking a little bit sus. But a lot of these other charts again showing that today might be a big day for Toshi. I think that's just going to depend on the strength of Bitcoin again. This guy is not crazy for saying Bitcoin might need to see a retest of 111. But yeah, I mean, we're about halfway through August, a little more than halfway through August now. Do we reject off of this range? Are we going to start seeing some more correction with Bitcoin? Yikes. Chart's looking pretty ugly right now. But this guy, Adam Shelton, saying BTC dips like this don't last long. Who knows though? Who knows? Nobody knows where Bitcoin will go. But I want to know what you guys think. Also, how do you guys feel about Toshi Coin? Just got listed on Binance.us, which is not the Binance.com listing that we were really looking for, but that is a great website and it has a lot of volume. Not as much as Binance.com, but again, maybe we will see Binance.com happen soon, right? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys next video.